Hey, everybody, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. And this week, I want to talk about following up. Everything happens in the follow up, especially with the media. They are so inundated with email, nobody calls them to follow up anymore. And I have to say, probably 90% of my success is that follow up phone call. And I've heard from producers, oh my gosh, you sent that in, I loved it, I flagged it, and then you know how our email boxes are. Everything goes to the bottom. So make sure you follow up with a phone call. I actually do an email, a follow up phone call, where sometimes I'm leaving a message and then I'll do one more quick follow up. And then I move on. Then I pitch them again next month. But the key to success with media pitching is in the follow up. So make sure you do that follow up phone call. So that is this week's PR tip. To learn more, please join the challenge at yourprchallenge.com, where I take you through for 10 days, step by step, exactly how to get media coverage. Short videos, I promise I won't take a lot of your time. I've got some, actionable items, things you can download to help you get in the media. So I hope you'll join yourprchallenge.com, and I will see you on the inside.